Hi guys, welcome to your C++ tutorials, and today we'll be treating if statement. If statement. A recap, our fifth C++ tutorial, we did if statement and if else statement. Yeah, and we were like, int a is what? 100. Then if we give a condition, if a is equal to 100, see out high, else see out by. In our fifth C++ tutorial, this is what we did. The if statement and if else if state, the if statement and if else statement. Today we'll be treating if else if statement, which means you can get bunch of condition in bunch of condition. Yeah, you can get bunch of condition in one code. You see, so we have if a is as if 100 is assigned to a, we have int 100 assigned to a. You see, if a is equal to 100, see out high. We can give another condition as else. If a is, we can give another condition under the else, above, above the else. Else if a is not equal to 100, see out try. So this one you can see our else if, our if conditions have become two. We have the if and the else if. You see, let's run our code and see the correct one. Now we have high. Suppose I change the code to 10. Which condition will be executed, or which condition will be true and execute this statement? Now if you check, we have a is what? 10. You see, we have a is 10. Now is a equal to 100? No, 10 is not equal to 100, which means this condition is false. Therefore the statement will become false. Everything inside becomes what? False. Now we will come here. Else if a is not equal to 100, and yes, a is not equal to 100 because 10 is not the same as 100, so this condition is true. Then it will execute what? Try. Hope you understand. This condition is true, then it will execute what? Try. So it will not even come to the else statement. You just see out our try for it. So let's run it and see. We have try. You see, that's how the if else if works. You can get bunch of if else if in one code. You can get if else if a is what? Greater than 100, greater than or equal to, let's do it, greater than or equal to 100. See out okay. Now when you see, we have okay. You see, we have try because this condition 2 is what? Still false. This condition is true. It's true, but since we have a true condition here, it will never come here. Because we have a true condition here, it will never come here. If you like, let's change this one to greater than and see which code will be executed. We have okay. You see, so that's how if else if statements work. You can get bunch of code if else if in one code. You see, so let's try our hands on one practical question. We want to see if the person can vote or not, if someone can vote or not. We want to check if someone can vote or not. We want to create a software to check if someone can do what, vote or not. So int A, let's do it int age. See out, please enter your age. You get me? Coding is so great. Coding here though, please. Coding. Enter your age. Remember to bring the new line or the end line. Okay. Please enter your age. If age is less than, let's do 24. If see out, you are too young to vote. Else if age is greater than, let's do it, if age is less than 18, or if age is greater than or equal to 18, you can vote. Else come back next time. So let me explain it. Suppose we enter 4. They say please enter age. Enter your age. So suppose we enter 4. Our age now become 4. If 4 is less than 18, you should do what? See out, you are too young to vote. Therefore, the system will operate. You are too young to vote. To execute it for you. It means you can't vote. So you are too young to vote. Therefore, go home. You understand? Else, if you enter age as 22, now to check here, is 22 less than 18? No. Therefore, this statement is false. You see, now it's come here. Is 22 greater than or equal to 18? Yes, 22 is greater than 18. Therefore, you can vote. Then you go on to vote. So let's try our code. Sorry. So let's run the code and see. Please enter your age. I enter 5. You are too young to vote. You see. Let's try again. Please enter your age. I enter 15. No, I enter 17. You are too young to vote. Let's try again. Coding is so great. Let's try again. 45. You can vote. You see, that's how the coding work. So this is how to check whether the person can vote or not. Enter the age and check whether the person can vote or not. Hope you understand. You can do it for checking the age of someone. if you want to know the age of someone, you can do it for it. You see, so let's try that one too, to know the person's age. See out, enter your age, or enter your year. So you want A is, let's say A is what, 20 20, we are in 2020, so age is what, 2020. Enter your year to know your age. Let's do it this way. Now see in year. Now A minus year. So we can give something like, we can initialize a variable to, so z, so let's bring z. So let's say z is the total, so z is equal to A minus year. See out your, let's do it age. Your age is, then you should print out the age for you. So let's try our code. We didn't initialize int A. So let's run the code. And we didn't initialize int age. So please make sure you see, check the errors is given. You see, we didn't initialize age too. So enter, let's break it. So enter your year to know your age. So let's say 1990. Your age is 30. You see, your age is 30. You can try again. 1998. Let's try 1998. Your age is 22. You see, your age is 22. Now you can add your if statement to it. If age is equal to, if age is less than 18, you are not in your adolescent, forgive my spelling, sir, adolescent age. I don't know whether it's C or by you, adolescent age. Else, if age is what, greater or equal to 18, see out. Oh wow, you are in your adolescent adolescent age. Else, you can try to ignore the else. You can try to put it there. You see, else, see out. Are you an alien? So run the code. So let's say 2000 born. Let's say 2003. Your age is, let's break it. Let's break it. So let's run it. 2003. Your age is 17. You are not in your adolescent age. You see. Now let's try 1998, 1999. So 1998. Oh wow, you are in your adolescent age. You see, you are in your adolescent. So this is how the if else if statement works. You can try to ignore this one, but which means when you can do it, you grow. Let's do it, you grow. An example. So you see, you can do it this way. Now if age is less than 18, then you are too young to vote. That means when I do above 18, then it will come to my else statement. It means it doesn't fall in this category, then it will come to my else statement. You understand? So when I run it and I type 98, you grow. You see. So this is how the if else if statement works. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more. Our next tutorials will be on functions. So try your hands on this one because the functions are too complicated. And please try to find the maximum number between 3 numbers, 2 numbers using if else if statement. Thank you very much. Bye.